Let me show you how easy it is to create tests with our pre-built Salesforce steps. Firstly, we have a set of common steps such as login, launch app, and log out. We also have record operations such as create, delete, and validate records. We also support Apex scripts. So let's create our first test. Firstly, we can use the login step to log in as an admin persona, which we created earlier. Then the next step, we can launch an app. And this shows us all the apps that are in the connected Salesforce instance. So after launching the app, we can then create a record. So put in the create step, and we can choose one of the S objects in the connected Salesforce instance. So what we have here are all the fields in that S object, both default and custom. So we just set some of those fields now. Next, we can validate that the record was correctly created. So adding in the validate step, we can just validate that the record contains the fields that we filled in previously in the create step. And then we can just finish the test with a logout step. And all we have to do is just run the test. So it logs in, launches the app, creates the record, fills in the fields, and then we validate that the fields were correctly filled in. And that completes the test. That's how easy it is to create a test with the pre-built Salesforce steps.